subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand how to convert binary number to decimal number. In our previous class, we have seen what is meant by binary number. We had an introduction to binary number. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here, because the concept that we have discussed in that video will help you, but will help you to have better understanding of this concept. So every video in our channel is a part of an entire course or a part of a playlist. Please, our suggestion is to please watch the entire course completely. It gives you better understanding on every concept. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So coming to this class, we have two methods to convert binary number into decimal number. The first method, so this is the first method, and second method, we will try to understand these methods by using these examples. So coming to the first method, what does the first method states is each bit of a binary number is multiplied by its positional weight and the product terms are added to obtain the decimal number. So what they are stating is each bit of the binary number is multiplied by its positional weight. So what is meant by positional weight? Every binary number is a positional weighted number system. What it states is the value of a binary bit in the binary number, the weight of the binary bit in a binary number is depending on its position. So as the position of the bit changes, the value of that binary number will also change. For example, if you consider this number, the position of this first bit is 0th position number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the position of 1 is 0, the position of this 0 is 1, and this position is 1, the position of this number is 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this number, so what they are stating is each bit of the binary number is multiplied by its positional weight. So this is the position and the weight of this. So how to find the weight of this position is, it is base power 0. So in our previous video we have clearly discussed about this concept. So please watch that video. So what is the positional weight of this number is, it is base power position. So every bit is multiplied by its positional weight and the product terms, and all these product terms that we are going to obtain will get added. So if you add all the product terms, we are going to get the decimal number. So it is the every bit's positional weight. Every bit is multiplied by its positional weight. It is 0 into 2 power 1. So here this one is 0 into 2 power 1. For this it is 1 into 2 power 2. The position is 2. And for this it is 1 into 2 power 3. Similarly, the positional weight it is 0 into 2 power 4. Similarly, for this it is 1 into 2 power 5. So the sum of all these positional weights, sum of the product of the digit into the positional weight is going to give the decimal number. So we have to sum all these values. So what is the sum of this? It is, what is this value? It is 2 power 5. It is 32. 2 power 5 is 32. So it is 32 plus 0 into 2 power 4. It is 0. Again 1 into 2 power 3. 8. 1 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. 2 power 2 is 4. And 0 into 2 power 1 is 0. And 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. So the sum of all these values is 32 plus 8, 40. 44 plus 1 is equal to 45. So the value of this binary number, so the decimal value of this binary number is 45. Similarly, what is the decimal value of this binary number? How to find it? So as we have discussed, we have to first know the positions 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and this is -1, -2, and -3. So anything after to the right of the decimal number, it starts from -1 and it will get decremented, and anything to the left of the decimal number, it is starts from 0 and it will get incremented. So what is the positional weight? We have to multiply. So each bit of the binary number is multiplied by its positional weight. It is 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2, which is 0, plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus, so what is the, it is 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power -1 plus 0 into 2 power -2, and similarly 1 into 2 power -3. So what are these values? This is 16 plus 8 plus 0 into 2 power 2, which is 0, 1 into 2 power 1, it is 2, plus 1 into 2 power 0, which is 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2, 2 power -1 is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. It is 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into 2 power -3, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means it is 0.125. Okay, so now sum up all these things. It is 16 plus 8. So first find the sum of integer values. 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 3, it is 27. What is the sum of all these values? So if you do the sum of all these values, we are going to get, it is 0.5 into, it is 0.625. Okay, if you sum all these values, we are going to get 27.625. So how to convert a binary number to decimal number? One of the method is to each bit of the binary number is multiplied by its positional weight. So positional weight, how to find the positional weight is, it is base power base power position of that number. Every bit is multiplied with its positional weight, and the sum of all those positional weight, all those multiplication values is going to get converted into a decimal number. So this is one of the method. And the next method is, this method is only applicable, this method is applied to integer binary numbers only. It means, so this is what we call it as integer binary number, and this is what we call it as fractional binary number. So this method 2 is applied only to the integer binary numbers. If you want to convert an integer binary number into decimal binary number, then only this method is helpful. If the fractional part of the binary number is present, this method will not work. So please try to remember this. How to do this method? What this method is? Starting from the extreme left bit. Extreme left bit means it is MSB. So this is the extreme left bit. It is most significant bit. Multiply this bit by 2 and add the product to the next bit to the right. So multiply this bit by 2 and add the product to the next bit to the right. What is the next bit to the right? It is 0. So what is the value that we are going to get? So this product value is going to, this value is going to be 1 into 2, 2 plus 0, it is 2. Next, what we have to, so we have to repeat that. What we have to do? 2 into 2 plus 0. So the value that we have to obtain, that we got obtained, will get producted with 2, and that will get added to its extreme to its next right bit. So what is the value of this? It is 2 into 2. So the product value of this is 2 into 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. And next, what we have to do? It is 4 into 2 plus 1. What is the value of 4 into 2 plus 1? It is 8 plus 1, So 4 into 2, next right value, 4 into 2 plus 1, it is 9. And similarly, next thing, it is 9 into 2 plus 0. So what is the value of 9 into 2 plus 0? It is 18. The value is 18. Next, 18 into 2 plus 1. 18 into 2 plus 1. 18 into 2 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So this value is going to be 37. 37 into 2 plus 1. 37 into 2 plus 1. So what it is? 37 into 2, it is 14, 74. 74 plus 1 is, so the final answer is 75. Okay, so try to convert this number. Try to convert this number by using this method. So you are going to get 75. So the the decimal value of this binary number is 75. Okay, so these are the two methods to convert a binary number into a decimal number. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below.